What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist here, and today is the 26th day of December 2024, or what I call post-Vlogmas Day 1. So yesterday, while y'all was chilling at home with your family, eating your ham, bacon, potatoes, and meat and shit, and enjoying all that good stuff, I had lemonade and bread. Coming straight from the Department of Labor in the state of Swampland, Department of Corrections. That was a gift they sent me because they are now sponsoring this channel. Big salute. And of course that shit is made up. But one thing that's not made up is this. The purpose of this talk today. The Queen Bee hooked up with the king of streaming, Netflix, to deliver a stellar performance and an outstanding test of Netflix capabilities. This comes right after the Jake Paul, Mike Tyson, 65 million viewers incident where Netflix was throttling pretty bad, and somehow they got the shit working. And I think that this will probably be considered a light test, because I could see Netflix moving into the future and starting to give NBC, ABC, Fox, and who did I leave out? And CBS, one of the big four large broadcasting companies in the United States. They about to get their monies, or they challenged by Netflix, a streaming company that's delivering live entertainment to you. And this is really testing what's gonna happen in the future. Streaming is the future, and watching stuff on broadcast, broadcast is gone. So cable is out the door, but cable is still in place because our internet is coming from the cable modem. You're still hooking that coaxial cable into that modem, and that's how you're getting those services. So cable isn't dead. Cable just found a way to twist the game up and turn it sideways and sick it back to the broadcasting companies. But that's not the purpose here. Beyonce did a nice entertainment yesterday for y'all. When Netflix and Mike Tyson hooked up and Jake Paul, they did their little fight and shit. Netflix had experienced severe quality of service issues where it was throttling and people were complaining and getting mad. So now this was one of those tests, or one of the first tests, because I could see Netflix in the future hosting the Super Bowl, hosting other big events. So this isn't a game for Netflix. They want your money. They were advertising the hell out of new seasons of Stranger Things and all kind of other shows. So they taking this threat, or they taking this serious. And I think that if the traditional media want to stay in this game, then they need to take it serious. Netflix is doing the broadcast market the same thing Amazon did to brick and mortar stores. So Netflix is, what I say, if I was an investor, would I invest in it? I don't know, I'm not an investor. I can't give investing money and all that type of advice, but hey, it's worth looking into. So what is a load balancer? A load balancer is one of the technologies I believe help Netflix win this game here, because a load balancer just means that you have a server, and as it gets traffic, it distributes the traffic across multiple servers, and it's load balancer. So you might have a bandwidth of 90, so we're gonna do 30 on each of these remote servers. That's basically, in a nutshell, what load balancing doing. So whenever they had the Tyson fight, they may not have had this configured to handle all that traffic. So at the end of the day, they got something right, and they making this work for them. So tell me below in the comments what you think about Netflix future as it gets into hosting live events. This isn't the first time they hosted a live event. They were hosting boxing events, but now they're starting to get into these big numbers. So the big winners here Netflix, and the performers and the cable companies. Because Netflix isn't an internet service provider, so they still gonna rely on that cable. So that's what you have to think about. And until I make my next Vlogmas entry, this is the Savage Scientist. Peace out.